sound produced by humans. You know that vibrations produce sound. John is wondering, which part of his body vibrates when he speaks? Teacher asks John to place his hand on his throat and speak loudly to feel the vibrations. He also finds that a hard bump in the throat moves up and down when he swallows. This is the part of our body which produces sound, and is known as voice box or larynx. It is at the upper end of the windpipe. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. The vocal cords vibrate and produce sound when air is forced by lungs through the narrow slit. Muscles attached to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. The type or quality of voice depends on whether the vocal cords are tight and thin, or loose and thick. Now let us understand the function of vocal cords by an activity. Take two rubber strips of the same size. Place the two strips, one above the other, and stretch them tight. Now blow air through the gap between them. Sound is produced when the air is blown through stretched strips. Repeat the activity by taking the piece of paper with a narrow slit. Now hold it between your fingers and blow air through the slit and listen to the sound. Thus, we understand the function of vocal cords and how sound is produced by humans. Note that the voices of men, women, and children are different because of the variations in the lengths of their vocal cords. In men, they are 20 millimeters long; in women, they are about 15 millimeters long, whereas, in children, vocal cords are very short.